Good morning, students. How are you? I am fine. I am Ravinder Singh, your math teacher. I hope you have completed all the previous work. I hope you have completed all the previous work. So, today we will discuss the last exercise of this chapter, chapter number 3. And exercise is 3.4. So, see the exercise 3.4. See the first question, and first question is state whether ट्रू और फॉल्स. आपको ये बताना है कि जो हमारे सेंटेंस हैं ये ट्रू हैं या फॉल्स हैं. सो सीधा ए पार्ट. ऑल रेक्टेंगल्स आर स्क्वायर. यू नो वेरी वेल. इन ए स्क्वायर ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड इन rectangles opposite sides are equal only. So this is false. This is false. And after this B part, all rhombus are parallelograms. All rhombus are parallelogram. It is true. It is true. In a parallelogram, all sides are equal. Maybe all rhombus means all sides are equal. So this is true. This is true. True. And after this C part, all squares are rhombus and also rectangles. All squares are rhombus and also rectangles. In a rhombus, all sides are equal and also rectangle opposite sides are equal. So this is true. This is true. This part is true. And after this D part, all squares are not parallelogram. All squares are not parallelogram. It is not true. ये गलत है. All squares, you know very well, in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. In a square are also opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this is false. This is false. After this, next part E. Next part E. All kites are rhombus. All kites are rhombus. In a rhombus, opposite sides are equal and all sides are equal. But in kites, not every sides are equal. So this is false. This is false. In a kite, only adjacent sides are equal. After this, F. All rhombus are kites. All rhombus are kites. Yes, it is true. It is true. All rhombus are kite. It is true. And after this G part, all parallelograms are trapezium. All parallelograms are trapezium. In a trapezium, one pair are parallel, and in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. So it is true. It is true. And after this last part, all squares are trapezium. All squares are trapezium. You know very well, in a trapezium, one pair are parallel, and in square, opposite sides are parallel and equal also. So it is also true. It is also true. So see again. First part, all rectangles are squares. Yes, it is not true. False. All rhombuses are parallelogram. Yes, it is right. True. All squares are rhombuses and also rectangles. True. All squares are not parallelograms. False. All kites are rhombus. False. All rhombus are kite. True. All parallelograms are trapezium, it is true, and all squares are trapezium, it is also true. Clear? And after this, see the question number 2. See the question number 2. See. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have. First part, 4 sides of equal length, and second part, 4 right angles. 4 right angles. So see. Question number 2. A part. A part is 4 sides of equal length. 4 sides of equal length. So answer is square and rhombus. Square and rhombus. Square and rhombus. Square and rhombus. In a square, all sides are equal, you know very well. And a square have 4 sides. And rhombus, all sides are equal. So 4 sides of equal length means in square and rhombus also. So answer this. Clear? And after this, B part. And B part is 4 right angles. 4 right angles. 4 right angles. So answer is, you know very well, rectangles have 4 right angles and square also. So rectangles and squares. Rectangles and squares. Rectangles and squares. Clear, students? After this, see the question number 3. See the question number 3. Explain how a square is. Explain how a square is. First part, a quadrilateral. Second, a parallelogram. Third, a rhombus. And last is rectangle. A rectangle. कैसे explain करेंगे हम? So see. First part क्या है बेटा हमारा? एक quadrilateral. A quadrilateral. क्लियर है? तो देखते हैं सॉल्यूशन. You know very well, square is a quadrilateral because it is closed with 4 line segment. Square is a quadrilateral because it is closed with 4 line segment. Square is a quadrilateral because it is closed with 4 line segment. 4 line segments. Square is a quadrilateral because it is closed with 4 line segment. 4 line segment. After this, B part, second part, and second part is a parallelogram. A parallelogram. A parallelogram. So see the solution. See the solution. A parallelogram. Square is a parallelogram. Square is a parallelogram due to the following properties. Due to the following properties. मीन्स स्क्वायर हमारा क्या होगा, एक पैरेललोग्राम होगा अगर वो सम प्रॉपर्टीज क्या करेगा, फॉलो करेगा. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. यू नो वेरी वेल, अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. Second property, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. स्क्वायर इज ए पैरेललोग्राम. हमारा जो स्क्वायर होगा वो क्या होगा, एक पैरेललोग्राम होगा. ड्यू टू द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टीज, अगर वो हमारी जो सम प्रॉपर्टीज है वो क्या करेगा, फॉलो करे. कौन सी, कि अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. अपोजिट साइड्स क्या होनी चाहिए, इक्वल और पैरेलल होनी चाहिए हमारी. एंड अपोजिट एंगल्स आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. नाउ थर्ड पार्ट. थर्ड पार्ट किसके लिए बेटा, ए रोम्बस. ए रोम्बस के लिए, ए रोम्बस. सो देखते हैं सॉल्यूशन. स्क्वायर इज ए रोम्बस. स्क्वायर इज ए रोम्बस. स्क्वायर क्या होगा हमारा, एक रोम्बस होगा. बिकॉज इट्स all sides are equal. Square is a rhombus because its all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Square is a rhombus because its all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Clear beta? Now after this fourth part. And fourth part is a rectangle. So देखते हैं बेटा सॉल्यूशन इसमें. Square is a rectangle. Square is a rectangle. Square is a rectangle because its opposite sides are equal and has equal diagonals. Square is a rectangle. Square क्या होगा हमारा, रेक्टेंगल होगा. बिकॉज इट्स अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. यू नो वेरी वेल, अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं, इसमें बराबर होती हैं. एंड हैज इक्वल डायगोनल्स, और डायगोनल्स भी क्या होते हैं, इक्वल होते हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ आफ्टर दिस सीधा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. नेम द quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other, are perpendicular bisector of each other and are equal. See the fourth question and first part. See the first part. Question number 4 and first part. Bisect each other. Answer. So you know very well, in a parallelogram, a rectangle, a square and a rhombus also diagonals bisect each other. So answer is parallelogram, rectangle square and rhombus. Parallelogram, rectangles, square and rhombus. Clear, student? Then now second part are perpendicular bisector of each other. Now solution. So you know very well, in a square and in a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at 90. So square and rhombus. After this, third part, and third part is are equal. The quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal. उसका नेम बताना है, क्या है वो, किस में होते हैं डायगोनल्स हमारे इक्वल. सो यू नो वेरी वेल, आप एकदम से बता सकते हैं क्या, रेक्टेंगल्स एंड स्क्वायर्स. रेक्टेंगल एंड स्क्वायर. Clear, student? Now after this, see the question number 5. Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. मीन्स है आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है कि क्यों रेक्टेंगल को हम क्या बोलते हैं, कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? कॉन्वेक्स क्वाड्रिलेटरल. सी द सॉल्यूशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. आंसर. In a rectangle, both of its diagonals lie in its interior. Hence it is a convex quadrilateral. Clear, student? In a rectangle, both of its diagonals lie in its interior, hence it is a convex quadrilateral. Another definition you know very well. Every angle is less than 180 degree. It's called convex quadrilateral. Clear, students? And after this, last question of this exercise, question number 6. See. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC, see the figure, ABC is a right angle triangle. And O is the midpoint of the side. Opposite to the right angle. Explain why O is equidistant from A, B and C. So first of all, draw the given figure. So see the solution. Question number 6. ये हमारा A है, ये B है और ये क्या है, C है. ABC. ठीक है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हमें ये गिवन है कि यहाँ पर एक मिड पॉइंट है हमारा O. क्या है? ये मिड पॉइंट है. ये क्या है हमारा 90 डिग्री यहाँ पर एंगल. तो हम डॉट कर रहे हैं बेटा. और हम क्या डॉट कर रहे हैं कि हम एक रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. मीन्स ये D क्या है आपका, डी। ठीक है बेटा। देन हम यहाँ से बी को ओ से मीट करेंगे एंड एज इट इज डॉट 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 ओ मीट टू डी, मीट टू डी। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं बेटा। सिंस क्या है कि द राइट एंगल, द राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल ABC, ABC, since the right angle triangle ABC, ABC makes a rectangle ABCD, ABC and D, ABC and D. Clear? By the dotted lines, by the dotted lines मीन्स ये है कि हमने डॉटेड लाइन की हेल्प से क्या किया, एक रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म कर लिया ABCD। देयरफॉर OA equals OB equals OC equals and OD equals, you know very well, diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other, bisect each other। आप लिख सकते हैं कि diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other, bisect each other। diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other, you know very well, in a rectangle क्या होता है, रेक्टेंगल में जो हमारे डायगोनल्स होते हैं, डायगोनल्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं और क्या करते हैं, ये पार्ट क्या होते हैं, इक्वल होते हैं। क्या होते हैं हमारे इक्वल पार्ट। सो यही लिखा हमने कि ओ ए इक्वल्स टू ओ बी इक्वल्स ओ सी इक्वल्स टू ओ डी। क्लियर बेटा? हैंस सो आप देख पा रहे हैं कि ओ बी, ओ सी और ओ ए क्या है, इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर है। सो ओ इज इक्विडिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ए बी एंड सी। O is equidistant from A, B and C. Clear students? All of you clear? This question is clear? Good beta. So this exercise is complete and this chapter is also completed. Now after this, tomorrow we will discuss the new chapter, new topics, new definition. Okay beta? Good luck. Bye.